The absence of written records complicates our understanding of the Polynesian Exchange. Instead, evidence lies in the food, tools, and genetic exchanges between these two remarkable cultures, raising intriguing questions about their interactions. In this complex tapestry, both Polynesians and indigenous Americans emerge as skilled navigators and sailors. Their shared maritime tradition casts a spotlight on the significance of their interactions during the Polynesian Exchange, inviting us to ponder the depths of their connection. Tracing back to around 2200 BCE, the Polynesians originated from Austronesian groups, embarking on an incredible journey across the Pacific and Indian Oceans. Their voyages saw them settle in varied regions, including the enchanting Philippines and Indonesia, leaving us to wonder about the adventures they encountered. The distinct pottery of the Polynesians stands as significant archaeological evidence of their migrations and settlement patterns throughout the vast Pacific islands. This intricate pottery not only tells a story but also helps us trace their movements and adaptations, piquing our curiosity about their ancient lifestyle. The development of double outrigger canoes marked a turning point for the Polynesians, enhancing stability and cargo capacity. This innovation enabled them to transport essential plants and animals for survival, leading us to reflect on the ingenuity required to thrive in such vast oceanic expanses. As if guided by the stars themselves, Polynesian wayfinders used stellar navigation techniques, relying on the positions of stars, ocean swells, and wind patterns to explore and confidently return to their home islands. What secrets did these ancient navigators harness from the cosmos? Birds like boobies served as invaluable indicators for navigators, suggesting proximity to land. Their predictable patterns allowed sailors to traverse vast distances across the ocean, making us ponder the profound interplay between nature and human ingenuity in navigation. Yet, the central trade winds posed formidable challenges for navigation. In a world where others might feel lost, the Polynesians thrived, their ability to sail against the wind speaking volumes about their advanced maritime skills. How did they master the elements that others feared? Across the ocean, the coastal peoples of South America also developed sophisticated maritime traditions. The trade routes along the Pacific coast fueled economic exchanges and cultural interactions among diverse communities, leaving us to wonder about the intertwined destinies of these distant cultures. Balsa wood, with its unique properties, emerged as the material of choice for crafting large sailing vessels. This choice not only allowed for enhanced buoyancy and maneuverability in ocean waters but also highlighted the extraordinary ingenuity of South American boat builders, inviting speculation about their craftsmanship. Oral traditions from Andean cultures recount legendary sea voyages, weaving tales that indicate a rich maritime heritage. These stories echo with the significance of sailing in their cultural identity, leaving us intrigued about what historical truths lie hidden within their narratives. Spanish chroniclers recorded encounters with these skilled sailors, offering us glimpses into their seafaring capabilities and the types of cargo they transported. Such accounts paint a vivid picture of global interactions between these coastal civilizations, compelling us to explore their far-reaching connections. Heyerdahl proposed a controversial theory, suggesting that ancient civilizations from Mesopotamia and Egypt imparted monumental architectural knowledge to indigenous Americans. This audacious idea hints at a direct cultural lineage between continents, igniting debates and discussions across the globe. The Kon-Tiki expedition, driven by a bold ambition to prove the feasibility of South American voyages to Polynesia, showcased an adventurous spirit of exploration. Despite its initial success, the expedition ultimately gave rise to heightened skepticism towards Heyerdahl's theories, prompting us to question the validity of ancient narratives. In recent years, genetic studies have emerged, revealing a mix between Polynesians and Native Americans. This fascinating finding adds layers of complexity to the narrative of cultural exchange between these distant regions, inviting us to delve deeper into the story of human connections. Moreover, genetic evidence highlights that the Xenu people from Colombia share a close relation with populations in the Americas. This connection suggests a complex web of cultural exchanges in the region, leaving us eager to uncover more about their intertwined histories. The sweet potato's journey from South America to the Pacific raises captivating questions about ancient trade routes and human migration patterns. Linguistic similarities in names for the crop further support the notion of significant cultural exchanges, urging us to consider the narratives behind such transcontinental journeys. Recent archaeological findings on Rapa Nui revealed starch grains from various plants, including both Polynesian and New World crops. These discoveries provide invaluable insights into the agricultural practices and interactions of ancient societies in the Pacific, reminding us of the rich tapestry of life that once flourished. Mandioca, or cassava, is a starchy tuber native to the Americas, notorious for its toxic compounds that require careful preparation. This complexity underscores the challenges of its introduction to other regions, prompting us to reflect on the delicate balance between innovation and risk in agricultural exchanges. The akira plant, historically utilized by locals in Rapa Nui, demonstrates the potential for misidentification by early explorers. This highlights the challenges faced in understanding cross-cultural agricultural practices, leaving us to ponder the stories that may have been lost in translation. Evidence suggests that chickens, originally from Southeast Asia, may have arrived in South America before European contact. This revelation raises fascinating questions about the spread of domesticated animals across continents, inviting us to consider how interconnected ancient civilizations truly were. Polynesian sailors were not merely navigators, they were exceptional masters of the sea, settling nearly all of the Pacific Ocean. This remarkable seafaring ability fostered extensive cultural exchanges across distant shores, compelling us to explore the breadth of their achievements. The transfer of essential plants like sweet potatoes signifies more than just trade, it indicates a profound exchange of knowledge and resources. Such interactions likely required learning about cultivation methods from one another, weaving a rich narrative of shared practices. Finally, genetic studies reveal traces of Austronesian ancestry among some indigenous groups in the Americas, suggesting ancient migrations that connect these cultures over thousands of years. This discovery leaves us with lingering questions. What more can be uncovered about our shared human heritage?